Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. Today for you, we're going to be squashing some spaghetti.
No way, Giuseppe.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Season 5 premiere of Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. Today for you, we have... What do we have? That's a great question. It's great to be back. We've got a lot of great food in store for you this season. And... No, I don't know what and what. And nothing. I had nothing more to say there. Well, this smells delicious. I wonder if it tastes as good as it smells. It does not. That parchment paper is golden brown, which means it's ready to eat. Gotta get some more water on these bad boys. They're very soapy. You can use wax paper if the thing you're trying to cook is fire.
3, 2, 1, action.
One more time from the top.
3, 2, 1, action.
That's very important. Don't burn yourself. Here's Johnny! That could have gone better, could have gone worse. So many recipes, so little time. Well, I guess we gotta start cooking. Hi guys, and welcome to my unboxing video. Gotcha. Hell, if you're thirsty, you could even have a drink. Delicious. It's good. That concludes today's video of Cooking Corner. I think you're really gonna like this.